Naked Agility Limited is a professional company that offers training, coaching, mentoring and facilitation to help people and teams evolve, integrate and continuously improve. To allow us to focus on reflecting and practicing in the classroom, our training courses leverage a flipped learning approach that delivers some or all of the theory as self-study. The course content is divided into learning blocks, each with presentations and lectures in the form of videos, reading material and writing activities that are provided for self-study, complemented by half-day virtual sessions delivered online using Microsoft Teams and Mural. These live interactive workshops create a dynamic and interactive environment where we dive into the core concepts through group activities, interactions and shared experiences, all with the guidance of an expert professional Scrum Trainer, professional Kanban Trainer or Microsoft MVP. Obtaining new knowledge through self-study materials and having an in-depth, rich engagement in the class allows students to enjoy learning that sticks. Students will complete the course ready to take the globally recognised certification exam included in the course fee. As part of our learning experience for every participant, we provide a 30-minute learning review, 60-minute coaching session, and access to future courses at a 30% discount. We recognise the positive impact that a happy and motivated workforce that has purpose has on client experience. We help change mindsets towards a people-first culture where everyone encourages others to learn and grow. The resulting divergent thinking leads to many ideas and opportunities for the organisation's success. And all participants gain complimentary access to the premium professional Scrum space in our public community, the League of Extraordinarily Agile Practitioners. I hope to see you there. Click the link below to find out more.